It's the biggest IPO of the year, and it's coming to a broker near you, and it's coming today. So there's a few things that you're going to need to know before you start trading it. In this video, we're going to be talking all about Roblox. I'm going to be telling you exactly what you need to know in order to turn this into a very lucrative opportunity. So you may want to stick around because we're going to be starting right now. Hey, what's going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If you're new here and you want to learn how to use stocks and options to make your portfolio go parabolic, make sure you start now by subscribing and tapping that bell so you never miss an upload. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. We got something very exciting to talk about today. We're going to be talking about the Roblox IPO, or in the case of Roblox, I guess I should call it a direct listing because that's what it is. So a lot of companies choose to do an IPO or initial public offering, and in that case, they're going to create new shares. They're going to be underwritten and sold to the public. But Roblox instead chose to do what's called a direct listing, where there are no new shares that are created and only the existing and outstanding shares are sold, and there are no underwriters involved. So direct listings are for companies that can't afford underwriting, or they may not want to have any share dilution, or they want to avoid lockup periods. These are the type of companies that are often going to choose the direct listing process. This is less expensive than doing an IPO, but the company's pretty much on their own. There is no intermediary that takes care of selling all of the shares. So there is no guarantee or no safety net that's going to ensure that all of the shares are actually going to sell. Okay, so now that you understand that, for those of you that don't know what Roblox is, and I'm sure that most of you do, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on this, but very quickly, Roblox is an online game platform and a game creation system. It allows their users to program games and play games that are created by other users. So this was actually founded by David Baszucki and Eric Cassell in 2004, and it was released in 2006. So this platform actually hosts user-created games of multiple genres coded in the programming language Lua. And what's awesome about this platform is that pretty much anybody can learn how to create games in this environment or on this platform. Now, from my understanding, it's comparable to using Lego-like blocks of instant code. But what I really like about this company or about this platform is that it is essentially a social platform and not just a game. It's full of immersive virtual worlds. And like I mentioned earlier, users create games and play games that are created by other users. So this thing is a hit. My kids love it. And everywhere I go, and anyone that I know that has kids or younger kids, they all know what a Roblox is. I mean, it's a very popular platform. And this platform initially started out with just a user base of maybe a few hundred people, and today has over 36 million users that play and interact every single day. I mean, this is huge. So there are two crucial parts to the company's business model. The first part is what we just discussed, which is the gaming platform on which users, and that would be the developers and the gamers, they build and play games there. And there are currently over 7 million developers building what Roblox likes to refer to as experiences. So these would be the games, virtual items, and different worlds that you find on the platform. And the platform has over 18 million experiences available right now, which makes it easy for the company to not only attract new users, but also to retain the old ones, as there's pretty much never a dull moment. There's always something new to discover. Another really cool thing about this is that Roblox has its own currency that users can use on the platform or in their games. So pretty much anyone can play for free, but you can buy things in the game, such as different characters or avatars, outfits for your avatar, and pretty much things like that. Roblox gets 30% or a 30% cut of anything that's sold on the platform, and the developers are incentivized by being able to keep the rest, which, there's a lot of young developers on there because we discussed the simplicity of actually creating these worlds and items on Roblox. So this is a pretty good gig for these younger people. But in 2019, revenue grew by 56%, and in 2020, the company grew their revenue by 68%, so an even faster or bigger growth. And they saw a 97% increase in daily users year over year in 2020. So obviously a lot of this growth can probably be attributed to the pandemic, especially in 2020. But either way, I think we're still gonna, I still think we're gonna see a lot of big things out of this company. I mean, the pandemic has pretty much changed the way that we live. It's changed the way that we do things, and some things aren't going to go away. Now, it's true that we're going to have less time. Our kids aren't going to be sitting at home all day because they're going to be actually going to school. So I do anticipate that growth will slow down a little bit, but I still think that overall, this platform is going to continue to get new users just at a slower pace, and it's going to be a big deal. This thing's going to be around for quite some time, in my opinion. There's going to be younger people that are going to be wanting to use this as an opportunity to earn some money, and it's very doable, and you can make crazy amounts of money doing this. This thing's not going away, and that's just going to make more money for Roblox. I mean, this is part of our new world and how we're living today during the pandemic, and even moving forward, getting over the pandemic. Enough about that. Let's talk a little bit about trading this. So obviously the intro that I recorded for you guys was prior to the IPO, or the direct listing, taking place, and I kind of got tied up doing some things, so now I'm recording afterwards. But I did have a buy order, a limit order put in. I think I got filled at like $64.50 or somewhere around there. To be completely honest with you guys, I like this company. I mean, I like the company. I like the stock. But today I just traded it. I sold all of my shares before market close, and that's because I saw that the stock was struggling. I think that at the price that it opened up at, I think it was a little high. It was expected to open originally at around $40 to $45. Ended up opening at about $64.50 or 64. So at the time that I was trading it, I think it hit about 74 something. That was the high, but it started slowing down. It pretty much showed a lot of weakness, and to be honest with you guys, I didn't like what I was seeing there. So I went ahead, took my profits. I think I sold somewhere, around the $71 and something cents. I can't remember exactly, but just somewhere under $72. I did look at it after close and saw that it was still kind of struggling. So basically, we're going to watch it for now and see where it's going to settle at and what's going to happen. And then I'm going to be planning on actually taking a position in this company. I don't know if I'm going to just flat out buy the shares or if I'm going to use some type of option strategy to accumulate the shares, but I'm going to check it out. And when I make a decision on what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep you guys updated on that and let you guys know what I'm doing so that you guys do the same thing if that's what you want to do. But anyhow, I think that's all I got for you today, guys. If you would smash that thumbs up button for me, I would greatly appreciate it. If you're not part of our family here yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our family so you can get videos like this every single day. While I have you here, I wanted to quickly tell you about the brand new First Trade app, available for mobile or PC. The platform will give you access to powerful and easy to use tools and allows you to trade with less restrictions, zero commissions, zero fees, and you can use the first link in the description below to download a free stock today without having to deposit any money. This will greatly help out the channel and is always appreciated. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Congrats, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you like what you watched, make sure you subscribe because I put out videos just like this one every single day. And please do me a favor and smash that like button if I helped you in any way, because it really goes a long way in helping the channel out and keeps me motivated to make videos every single day. Now, there's a lot of work involved, a lot of research, and a lot of time and effort into editing and putting these out, daily for you guys. You can subscribe from your screen right now, or if you want to watch one of my other videos, I'm sure YouTube has some good content picked out for you on the left-hand side of your screen now. Thanks for sticking it out with me till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.